Hey, how's it going? My name is Eric Salgado with CNN Construction. I'm here at 7949 South Massoyet Avenue in Burbank, Illinois, 60454 at Mr. K.Ali's residence, trying to attempt to repair this damaged shingle to show you that it's unrepairable, as well as it also is 3 layers on this roof. That's the damaged shingle I'm going to attempt to repair. I am going to start with, since this is already damaged, scrape all these above. They're ready. Shingles are easy to come loose. You see. Now I will use my snake to take these nails out the way. One right there. Another one right here. Trying to get popped in. Out already. I'll get this one now. Off with the old shingle, brand new shingle right here. Just line it up. Perfect. Now we'll put it on my snake. First nail. Perfect. Second. Right there. This shingle's all creased. Look at that. They're all cracking. All these shingles are cracking, creasing, trying to just do this repair right here, which is jeopardizing the rest of the roof if we do repairs. Therefore, we're asking for a full roof replacement. Please review this video, and I appreciate it. Thank you.